Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Pet Treater. Now, if you're not familiar, Pet Treater is a monthly pet subscription that includes toys and treats. They have 3 different options available. The first one is for $15. That one is 2 treats and 2 toys. The next one is $18. Now you can choose whether you want treats only or toys only on that one, and you get 3 of each on that one. I choose toys only. We have plenty of treats. We don't need any more. So I opted for getting my babies some toys. So, and then they have another one. It's $25, and that is for multiple pets in your home. I'm not sure how many of each you get in that one, but considering it's for multiple pets in your home, I imagine you might get 2 of each. Not sure though. So the first thing I'm pulling out is the card. And today we have Coda. He won Pick of the Litter. All you have to do is take a picture of your baby and submit it to Pet Treater, and they will choose someone to be Pick of the Litter for the month. The first thing I am pulling out is very cute. It is a bunny slipper. They're going to love it. It actually has the rubber on the bottom. It has the fuzzy lining. Oh, and there's a squeaker way up there in the toe. That'll be a little harder for them to get. This is by All for Paws, or AFP. It's Doggy's Shoes, the rabbit slipper, and then safety on the back. I love it. I think it's cute. But does this, if I were to leave my slippers with them after having this, does that tell them it's okay to go after our shoes? That's always something I've thought about when giving them like toys that look like our shoes or slippers. Have you had experience with that at all? Let me know in the comments down below. Next, now in every bag you get a bandana. Oh, look at this one. How cute. Gobble till you wobble. That is adorable. Now, I didn't mention that you do get to set a profile. You get to say what kind of animal you have, the size, and they customize the bag to that. Next, oh, they love these, is by Mr. Marvin, A Silly Bounce and Squeak. And this is a pig. I did get this one a couple of months ago, but that's okay because my babies love these things. They squeak. I can't get it. Ow, ow. I can't get it to squeak. Oh, there we go. It takes a lot of strength to get that going. And then this thing, by the Humane Society, it is a plush toy with squeaker. Oh, this product helped animals in need. The manufacturer donates 8% of the wholesale price of this item to the Humane Society. Okay. I don't know what it is. Do you know what it is? Elephant? No, look at these tiny ears. I have no idea what that is. But there's squeakers in it, and they're going to love it. Now, this is a great way to go. If you try and buy all of this for $18 in the store, it's going to be tricky unless it's really a deep sale price or on clearance. But this makes it really easy. It just comes to my door for me. And that is all I have for you for November. I do hope you have a great day. I appreciate you coming by, and I will see you soon.